Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make mix Haleem full guide. Start by rinsing and soaking grains and lentils for at least 2 hours, then brown the meat lightly with spices. Add soaked grains, lentils, and water, simmer gently, and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finish by simmering until fully broken down and creamy, then adjust salt and spice levels to taste and plate with garnishes. In this video, I will show how to make mix Haleem full guide. Combine measured grains, lentils, and meats in a large pot with aromatic spices, garlic, and ginger. Pour in enough water to cover by a couple inches and bring to a steady simmer. Cook covered until meats and grains are tender enough to mash, then blend gently for a cohesive texture. Finish by simmering to desired thickness and correct seasoning. In this video, I will show how to make mix Haleem full guide. Quick recommendation: if you like reading recipes in bed or on the couch, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for glare-free, adjustable reading and long battery life, making it fun to follow multi-step recipes hands-free. If you want the exact model and deals, check the description for the link and other offers. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make mix Haleem full guide. Brown your meat, then simmer slowly with spices and water for 2 to 3 hours until collagen breaks down. Stir periodically to prevent sticking and help grains disintegrate evenly. Use a hand blender or vigorous mashing to reach a silky, cohesive texture, then adjust thickness by reducing liquid or adding stock. Serve hot with toppings and a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.